Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by finding and protecting the profile. Open About, Profiles to see the profile path, then close Firefox so files aren't locked. Once closed, copy the entire profile folder to another disk or external drive to preserve a working baseline. Make sure you note the exact file names, places. SQLite holds history, favicons. SQLite stores icons. If you can access a recent timestamped copy in that folder, you're ready to attempt a file restore. Keep your backup intact throughout. Once done with backups, you either restore a saved places, SQLite, or recover deleted files. Replace the profile's existing places, SQLite with the backup copy and reopen Firefox to verify history. If you lack backups, run reputable recovery tools targeted at the drive containing the profile. Scan for recently deleted places, SQLite, and export recovered files to a separate drive. Alternatively, check System, Restore, or Time Machine snapshots to export the profile folder. Make sure to keep Firefox closed while swapping files to avoid. Open Firefox and verify that your browsing history appears. Check bookmarks and library to confirm integrity. If entries are missing, make sure Firefox created a places, SQLite journal or crash files. Sometimes removing journal and forcing a compact can help. If problems persist, open the recovered places, SQLite with an SQLite viewer to confirm tables exist and contain Moz historivisits. As a troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, restore the backup copy and run a file recovery pass or enable Firefox sync to prevent future loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.